Rosehip, which contains all the beneficial components of the soil and has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, does not stop counting its benefits to the human body, and a new benefit is discovered every day. The most common use of rosehip, which can be included in many recipes in kitchens with its high vitamin and mineral pool, is tea. This tea, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed at the right time and amount, is a cure for many physiological problems. What are the benefits of regular rosehip tea consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine it together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefits. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a glass of rosehip tea a day? Rosehip tea is used as a stomach protector against digestive system diseases such as stomach ulcers caused by stomach acid imbalances. The pectin it contains shows the regulating effects of digestive problems caused by the unbalanced functioning of the intestines. It also facilitates digestion and removes intestinal parasites from the body through the digestive system. After consuming a glass of rosehip tea, it helps regulate digestion by controlling the water balance in the intestine. It supports the development of beneficial probiotic bacteria in the digestive system. It also works with riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and phytosterols found in rosehips, reducing inflammation in the vascular system, which helps lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels in the blood. Many minerals such as magnesium, potassium, manganese, zinc, and iron, which are very important for your heart, are found in very rich amounts in rosehips. These substances support the activities of the cardiovascular system and reduce the mechanical stress on the vessels. In addition, rosehip tea is rich in minerals that balance the amount of sugar in your blood and control how it is used by the body. It prevents blood sugar fluctuations by maintaining the insulin balance in the body. The compounds in it are very useful for blood sugar regulation and regulate the amount of sugar metabolized by the body. At the same time, when used correctly, rosehip tea helps to get rid of edema caused by excess sodium in the body. A glass of rosehip tea for healthier muscle and bone tissue. The high amount of calcium and iron it contains play a very important role in the transport of oxygen in the blood to the formation of healthy and strong bones. It also strengthens the connective tissue, which is very important for muscles and bones. A strong connective tissue relieves the load on muscles and bones and improves our whole body health. A glass of rosehip tea against diseases. It contains more vitamin C than fruits such as tangerines and oranges. This tea, which strengthens the immune system thanks to polyphenols and antioxidants, has rich vitamins and minerals. It stimulates the production of white blood cells with its vitamin C content. It is also very important for the general health of the respiratory system. When consumed regularly, it strengthens the immune wall against bacterial and viral upper respiratory tract diseases. Rosehip tea for a healthier brain structure. Rosehip contains thiamine and potassium, which increase blood flow to the brain and also have antioxidant properties. This compound, which works to prevent brain diseases and has remarkable health benefits, also fights anxiety, stress, and depression caused by low serotonin. So, is there any harm in consuming rosehip tea? First of all, rosehip, which cleans the stomach and intestines from toxins and throws bacteria, can cause nausea, heartburn, and some digestive system disorders when used excessively and unconsciously. In addition, rosehip is uniquely used in the manufacture of some drugs in alternative medicine today. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with some medications. If you have medications that you use regularly, consult your doctor before adding strong foods such as rosehip to your diet. On the other hand, this tea, which relaxes the muscles and reduces tension, may show side effects such as a feeling of weakness when consumed in excess. So how much and when should rosehip tea be consumed? Experts recommend consuming a glass of rosehip tea 2 to 3 days a week. In the light of this information, you can add rosehip tea to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, stay informed.